Hi everyone, it's Celeste and welcome to a new video. In a previous video, I actually showed you how I created this quilted leather backpack from a kit from Popsewing, but today I'm going to be following up that video with a DIY wallet. Now, I did feature this at the end of the backpack video, so here it is. I'm very excited to show you that I made this one from a kit from Popsewing. And yes, this is sponsored from Popsewing, so thank you so much to them. Let me show you this wallet. This wallet is so cool. It's got this nice gold hardware detail and it opens. So it has this nice big piece that you could shove more things inside or bills. And then they have these nice little folds here for cards, which we all know you need those like nice cards for business cards or redeem cards, point cards. And it just makes this nice little accordion. Luckily, it has an extra strap, so those other wallets that just do like a magnet clasp and they just kind of flop around. This one has a nice long strip to stop it. Like, I even had to add this extra piece here to make it look pretty. And there's that. This does not require a machine. No, you just need your hands, and I mean two of them, to be able to sew this because you have to do the double stitch method here. But let's go ahead and get into the video and I'll show you how I made this. First, we need to get our Popsewing box and we gotta open it. When you order the DIY kits, they do provide most of the notions. This one, I did need to provide my own glue. Many thanks to Popsewing for sending me this awesome DIY kit. Let's go ahead and look at all the pieces. And it's actually not that many pieces. Something that is mentioned on the website is that this product, you will have to have glue. I used E6000, and so far it is holding up. Now, the E6000 glue that I have is just the universal E6000. I'm not sure if we are supposed to get like Aleene's tacky glue, super glue, but what worked for me is E6000. So after installing the hardware at the top, I actually had to glue two pieces together and the strap on the inside. I had to let the glue dry. So this is why I'm mentioning it, that you need to have a good glue because this is the base interior and then you have to sew through this with your own two hands. So it's very important that you have a glue that you trust and you can work with before it solidifies. And then if you messed up, you can't really go back. So get a good glue and one that you can cut through and not be so scared if you have to sew through like 4 layers of this leather. If you have watched my previous Popsewing videos, you'll know that you need one thread really long with 2 needles on it, and that's how you do the sewing method. When I finished assembling the first part of the wallet base, I actually had to sew 3 pieces of leather together using the double needle method. So that thimble that they included is really handy. I was really scared to be doing something like this because I've never really had to do pieces that intersected in such a small manner. I'm used to making clothing pieces and not many accessories, so it's really nice to have some kind of guidance when watching the video. Again, if it's too hard on your fingers, they do include the finger covers and a thimble for when you're sewing. Because Popsewing is so fabulous, they gave me a discount code for you all, 20% off. Use my code CelesteOrchidMarissaFloro, all one giant word. Yes, I know it's a little obnoxious, but use this entire code for 20% off your purchase. And I hope you guys find some amazing products, pre-made or DIY kit, and show me on social media. So you can tag Popsewing or you could tag me, or you could just message it to me. I would love to see what you all come up with. So check out the link in the description down below or use my discount code. Thanks so much. Let's go ahead and I'll just show you, my finished result yet again. Once again, here is my completed finished DIY project from Popsewing. The inside of the wallet has 2 pockets. So once you finish one side, the other side is the exact same process. Then you just assemble all of it together and voila, you have a very beautiful wallet. I am so glad that I finally knocked out a wallet under my belt. I did use Popsewing's kit to be able to make this, but sometimes a little help goes a long way. I'm super excited to be using this wallet for my cards, for any of my money, and any of my Pokemon cards or Magic the Gathering cards. I'll be sure to use this in the future. Again, thanks to my sponsor, Popsewing. Check them out in the link in the description. And remember to stay inspired, be creative, and I will see you in a future video. Bye!